Hey, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This International Women's Day, let's talk about sustainable discounts. But unchecked discount can quickly eat into your profit margin. A smarter way is to set a cap discount, for example, 30% off but limited to $100 maximum. This way, shoppers enjoy Women's Day savings while your business stays secure worldwide. So, if you want to set up a cap discount like this in your Shopify store, watch this video without skipping. Before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips because more Shopify seasonal tips are on the way. For setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I'm using Next Discount app which is available in the Shopify app store. If you have need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount code as your discount type and add a 30% off as the code. And I'm planning to give a 30% code with a cap amount of 100. So this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond $100. Even though the 30% of the cart value is higher than the 100, this cap amount makes sure that the maximum discount amount will limited to 100 only. And you can also apply the discount to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. I'm adding it for all the products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement for now. So in case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or a customer having some tags or only on first order customer like that. I'm adding for all the customer now. And you can also limit the number of time the discount can be used in total. Let's say 100 here means you will be able to give this discount code for the first 100 users. And you can also limit the number of usage of this code per customer only one time. And you can just set some start date or end date or time like that in this active date section. Like if you have planned to run the offer through the week or a 10 days or a month of the International Women's Day, then you can start or set the start date and end date and time and all here in this active date section. And if you need to club this discount code with the existing discounts like product discount, order discount or shipping discount, you can enable it from here. And after adding all the details, you can save the changes. Now let's check the code has been activated or not from the discount section. Now you can see that the 30% off code has been activated successfully. Now let's test this setup in our online store. I'm trying to buy a product of worth $599 to the cart now. Now I'm adding our code. Now you can see that the 30% of the $599, which is 100, has been applied successfully and the customer will be getting a discount amount of 100, which is the 30% of the cart value. Now let's test with some other products having some higher prices. Now I'm trying to buy this product of worth 5,000. Now I'm adding my code here. Now you can see that even though the 30% of the 5,000 is greater than 100, the customer will be getting only $100 as the maximum discount price. Because this cap amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond $100. Even though the 30% of the cart value is higher, our cap amount makes sure that the maximum discount amount will limited to 100 only. So that's how you set up a 30% off with the 100 cap amount in your Shopify store on your International Women's Day sale. So while you're waiting for, grab the link from the description box and just try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel and please do comment, like and share. Thanks for watching.